Good morning, guys. Today is the beginning of day 4. Today I'll be starting at Neel's Gap, and the goal is to go about 11 miles to Low Gap Shelter. As you all can see, the weather is still not the best, so it's going to be another day full of rain and fog. Even though the weather's not that good, it is warm outside, so at least I won't have to worry about getting cold. Okay, well, I am going to go ahead and get started. Oh, he's okay. Hey guys, so I thought I would just take a second and update you guys on just like how I'm doing today, how my hike is going, and that type of thing. So today, it was pretty hard to come back to the trail after doing 14 miles yesterday. That was definitely too many miles, and I was really sore when we got back to the hotel room yesterday. I ended up going to sleep at like 8 o'clock, and I slept all the way until 7 o'clock this morning. Once we finally got going this morning and left the hotel room, we had to stop by Walmart because I wanted to get a new screen protector for my phone. I had taken off the waterproof case that I was using previously, and I wanted to make sure that my phone didn't get scratched while I'm out here. Anyways, I want to do like 11 miles today, and that is because I booked a room at Hostel Around the Bend tomorrow night. And to get there, I need to do 11 miles today and 9 miles tomorrow. I'm not really feeling that excited about doing 11 miles today, especially with the weather the way that it is, but I am going to try to push through and try to make it to Low Gap Shelter. Anyways, I'm going to keep on hiking. Gap, and I hear cars down here. So far I've done about 5.5 miles today, which means I have about 6 more miles. I'm definitely in a better mood than I was this morning. I've just been walking and listening to music, and it's definitely helped. Back into the Raven Cliffs Wilderness, and it looks like we got a nice steep uphill climb. Woo, let's go. It looks like the fog is starting to clear, which is great. I got about 4 more miles till I get to Low Gap Shelter. The sun is finally out. It's such a great ending to today. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can actually almost see some mountains in the distance. So it's pretty cool. I have about 2 more miles now left to the shelter, where I'm gonna cook my dinner and get some rest. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Woo, I made it to Low Gap Shelter. Time to get some rest, eat, and get ready for the next day. This is probably where I will end my video. So thank you guys for watching, and good night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.